Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Rocket League not launching on Epic Games Launcher. Easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do, just first open your files and then go to documents, then my games, and here we'll find Rocket League, then TA game, and here we'll find cache. Now click delete, and that's it. Now just go back and go to task manager and just click memory and then close all the applications that takes your memory and all the applications that you don't need, like Google Chrome, and that's it. If you want to close it, click end task, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.